Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In today's video, I'll show you how can you fix payment error on Uber app. If you want to fix the payment error on Uber app, then what you could do is, first thing first, you could always check your card details are correct. Now ensure that the card is not expired. Make sure that you have a sufficient funds available. And if necessary, you can remove and re-add your payment method in the wallet section of the app itself. Now apart from it, what you could also do is you could just simply go ahead and then update your application. So for that, you want to go to the Play Store, and on the search box you want to type in Uber. See whether the app needs to be updated or not. If the app needs to be updated, try updating it and it should be able to fix as well. If not, you could also try clearing your cache as well as data. So for that, you want to go to the Uber app and then long press on it, after which you want to go to the app info section. Then you want to go to storage and cache, make sure to clear cache, and then you also want to go ahead and enable the permission at the same time. Then it should be able to fix the issue all at once. If not, as mentioned earlier, you could go ahead and update your payment method. That means you could go ahead and change the payment method, and then you could also go ahead and contact the branch. If not, that's the way you could fix your payment error on Uber app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.